Hello friends, this video is all about something new brought by Anagen Hair Transplant chain of clinics called FUE Boosters, hair boosters. This can be used even if you're seeking hair loss treatment and especially after just during the hair transplant and just 1 or 2, 3 days after hair transplant, these are given. What is FUE Boosters? Why do we need them? So dear friends, these are the slits, okay, where you make it here. And these are the hair follicles, you put it here, correct? Now, when we take on the hair follicles, the blood supply, oxygen, everything is gone. I've cut it. The fish is outside the water. The finger is cut. Now, when we put the hair follicles over here, now the blood vessels of these hair follicle at the tip and the blood vessels of your scalp should connect like Avtara, should anastomose, but sometimes they may not. So, we are helping surrounding this area with a lot of stuffs which may help this anastomosis or coming together like Avtara. So these are called FU boosters. Means we give something, for example, the pipe is like this, less water or blood will flow. If the pipe is dilated, more will flow. So we help vasodilation, dilatation of blood vessels. So more oxygenation, more nutrition, more antioxidant. A lot of things will go over here to support anastomosis. So it's called vasodilation. We also do give something as a few boosters for angiogenesis. Angio means blood vessels, genesis means creation. So we help create new blood vessels so that these two connect well. Then we bombard with growth factors, autologous exosomes. We bombard with special cells called liquid PRF. We bombard with ATP. What is ATP? ATP inside the cell is a mitochondria. ATP is the energy stored in the form of an ATP. So when you walk, talk, do anything, what I'm doing now or what you're watching TV now, it is the ATP inside your cells which is burning off and giving you energy. So when these hair follicle is kept here, it is devoid of its own oxygenation and nutrition. It needs ATP. It needs energy to survive. So we get it internationally, imported it is, and we use it as a nourishment. It's also one of the hair boosters post transplant. Number three, the nutrition. So we have a special amino acids, glucose, antioxidants, and whatnot, okay, which gives nourishment to these hair roots. So this is all about FUE boosters, oxygen, antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, amino acids, glucose, concentrated oxygen, vasodilation, angiogenesis, ATP, and much more. So with this, we have improved the hair restoration. One of the scientific papers on this will be published by one of our plastic surgeon this year and in one of the top international conference. So before the world knows, in this video, you knows about it, the FUE boosters is going to be next big thing to take care of these aspects of the hair transplant. Right now, exclusively available only at Anagen Hair Transplant.